Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining in. My name is Nidhi and this is my video podcasting channel Unwind and Connect, where we talk about topics such as law of attraction, motivation, manifestations, businesses and much more. So, if you are new here, thank you for joining in and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholders. We have often come across this thought. But how many of you truly believe in this? The term beauty is often used around us. People say that this is beautiful and that is beautiful. But what actually is beauty according to you? Today is the 12th episode of our channel and the topic for today is the same. What is actually beauty and what do you mean by beautiful? I am sure many of you must have come across people who say that you are really beautiful and you have a really beautiful personality. But what actually is beauty? So, for knowing this, let's get started. When I use the term beauty, what is the first thing that comes into your mind? I am sure that must be some person whom you like or you feel that is truly beautiful. But if I say not only people are beautiful but the things around us are also beautiful, isn't it? The sunrise, the sunset, the beautiful architectures in the country, the beautiful monuments, everything is beautiful. But why does it always happen that whenever we say beauty, we always think about a specific person or a person whom we like or adore the most? This is the problem with us. We do not actually know what is beauty. There is a big problem all around the world. People have certain conceptions about beauty and they feel that if they relate to it, only then they are beautiful. Just now I was seeing a video where children of age group 5 to 12 were asked about what they think is beauty. And they had a very simple answer. They said that the smile on our mom's face is beautiful, or my dad is a beautiful person. They did not know anything about skin colors or being fat or being skinny or being about anything. But they only knew about the smile on their mom's face or about their dad's face, and they think that that is the most beautiful thing in this world. Children like them know what actually beauty is. Then what is the problem with us? When asked in a survey to women above the age of 18, everybody was very concerned about their looks. They said that they were too skinny or they were too fat, or somebody was concerned about their stretch marks on the body. Someone was thinking that their eyes are not big enough, their teeth are crooked and much more. All of these concerns are not something they are always concerned about, but all of these things are put into their mind by people like us. We have certain misconceptions about beauty and we try to fit everybody in that. Women or men do not feel beautiful enough when people try to fit them in certain parameters. Why do we always do this to people around us when we can make them feel beautiful enough? Every person on this earth is beautiful. But when we try to fit them in parameters of being skinny or being too fat or being dark or being white, they get concerned about it and they don't feel beautiful anymore. I don't think there is something worse than making someone feel that they are not beautiful enough and they do not deserve anything in this world. As we know, the wedding season is on and we see many people getting married. Have you ever seen how people choose their life partners? Yes, if they are in love with somebody, the matter is different. But when we go for arranged marriages like the culture in India, we come across many parameters through which people search their life partners. I'll give you a short example. I have seen around me when people try to find partners. It may be my friends, my sisters, brothers or anybody. When they try to find partner, there is always a parameter. They try to find a guy who is tall, who is dark, who is handsome, who earns well and all of these. But what about the qualities and traits about him? They do not try to find that. The first thing which catches their eyes is the personality of that person. Yes, I agree that personality is very important. But while choosing a partner, why do we always think about their looks and that is a primary thing in life? Rather than that, we should always think about the qualities he have, the understanding he keeps. That should be a primary one, isn't it? I am sure many of you must have heard this कि वो कितनी ज़्यादा सुंदर है, वो कितनी गोरी है. This is a thing which I have come across many a times in my life. Many people have said it, maybe on my face and behind my back too, that you are not beautiful enough, you are not fair skinned, and you are darker than other people, you are not beautiful. And trust me, the people saying this were not fair skinned. This is a thing which is very much concerned, and people are very much concerned about this in our country, and I do not understand why. I am not saying that fair people aren't beautiful, but what is wrong with having a dark skin? People with dark skin are the most beautiful people is something which I believe in. Not because I am a dark skinned person, but I feel so. Whenever I hear something like this, that people say that वो कितनी ज़्यादा गोरी है, वो सुंदर है, उसको तो बहुत अच्छा लड़का मिलेगा, या वो लड़का बहुत ज़्यादा गोरा है, उसके पास बहुत पैसा है, उसको तो बहुत अच्छी लड़की मिलेगी, या फिर इतने गोरे लड़के को इतनी काली लड़की कैसे मिल गई. All of these things just make me feel like I should cut off from all these kind of people, because they make me feel like in what kind of a generation are we living in, where we are differentiating people based on their skin colors and their body types. You know what's the most disturbing thing? The people who are close to us also think the same. I have come across many close people of mine who say this कि ये सब तो बोलने की बातें हैं, बट हम जब खुद के लिए चूज़ करते हैं तब हमें एकदम परफेक्ट चाहिए होता है, एंड तभी हमें एकदम गोरा इंसान और एकदम अच्छा फिजिकली फिट इंसान चाहिए होता है. But I don't think this is the right thing to say, because whenever I see someone, I don't see people based on their looks. I see and I try to see people based on what they are thinking, what actually their thought process is, what they believe in life, and how they treat me. The most important thing, like how they treat me. I think people who treat me well and who respect me well are the most beautiful people around me. I often see people, or I have many people around me who say that you have the most beautiful eyes and your smile is really beautiful. I appreciate them, but I appreciate them more when they try to get to know me, when they try to see what I think, when they try to understand what I actually like in life, what are my interests and what I believe in. That is when I truly like to appreciate them. I am not saying that there wasn't a time in my life where I used to see people and I used to say that she is beautiful and he is beautiful. Yes, everybody of us has gone from that phase. But later on I understood that people are not only about looks, but they are much about their thoughts and about the way they behave. And that is the most important thing. I think the problem is that we make people think that they are not beautiful. We always think that we are the most beautiful people, but when someone else comes and tells us, or someone comes and shames us about our looks or about our body, it is the most disgusting part, and it makes us feel like we are not worthy enough. This is a very bad thing to do to anybody. I have personally got comments from people around me saying that you are not beautiful, and why do you think you are beautiful, and why do you think you are so confident, you don't have a fair skin, your teeth are crooked, your body type is not good, you are so skinny, तुम्हें घर पे खाने के लिए कुछ मिलता नहीं है क्या, तुम इतनी पतली क्यों हो, तुम्हारा पेट इतना बाहर क्यों है, तुम्हारे दांत इतने टेढ़े मेढ़े क्यों है, तुम्हारी आंखें इतनी बड़ी बड़ी क्यों है. But one thing I always understood is I feel that I am beautiful, and that is all that matters. All of these things, when they are said to me, I don't care about it much, because these are their perspectives, and I totally believe that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And whenever people say that I am not beautiful enough, it is just their problem, because I know I am beautiful, and every person should know that they are beautiful on their own, and they do not need any person's validation around them. They should not rely on people's validation. They should feel that they are beautiful, and people's comments and people's judgments don't matter to anyone. I very nicely remember that when I was a kid and I went to school, I had a darker skin tone than this. And when my friends used to tease me that you are very dark and you are not beautiful, your teeth are so crooked, my aunt used to say that let them tell what they want. You can tell them that you are the most beautiful person in this world and beauty does not matter. She always used to motivate me and she always used to tell me that the most beautiful people on this earth are the people who are dark skinned. Beauty is not only about skin tone, and it is about the person who is inside you, and that is all that matters. So right from the beginning, right from my childhood, I have always been taught that beauty is not only about looks, it is about the person and the soul which is within you, and that is all that matters in life. I think it is about time that we should change all these norms. Yes, I know it is very easy to sit and say all these things, but it is very difficult to bring them in actions. But if we don't start it today, it will be very late, because already many people around us have suffered this, and trust me, many people feel depressed because of this. Because whenever we tell someone that they are not beautiful enough or they are not good looking, that kills that person from inside and that kills their confidence. So we should not do this, and we should spread an awareness around us that we should motivate people and we should take everyone around us, and rather than making them feeling demotivated. It is time that we see beyond beauty and beyond looks and body shapes. We should see inside that what a person is, what he thinks, what his understanding and values is in life, because that is a thing which is going to be for long term. I remember my mom saying that looks are something which is very temporary. The thoughts and the beliefs is something which you have to live with. So next time whenever you see someone telling someone that you are not beautiful enough or you are not good looking, go and tell them that they do not know what the person is from inside or what the person is fighting from within. Let's appreciate people for what they actually are and how they actually behave with us. And that is the most important thing that we should always look upon. Not on their looks and their skin type or their body types, but on their behaviors and on their inner beauty. Because according to me, beauty lies within us and not what is outside, not what you can see on my face or on my body. Beauty is actually not only about looks, it is about your inner values. So let's make people understand what the real definition of beauty is, and let's take everyone along on this beautiful journey of life where all the things that matter is your values, your beliefs and your thoughts, because that is the thing which is going to be with you long term and not the looks which you are seeing right now. If you ask me what beauty is according to me, I will say that giving a hug to your mother when she comes home really tired, that smile on her face is very beautiful. Giving something to your dad or just sitting with him and talking about something, the feeling of satisfaction which is there on his face is really beautiful. A mom giving birth to a child is a really beautiful thing. All of these things are actually beautiful. When we look out in the nature, the sun setting, the sun rising, raining, the snowfall, everything around is beautiful. But we will only understand these things when we look far beyond looks of people and just people around us. So next time when you think about beauty, think about all these things around you, and then you will understand the real definition of beauty. So this is it from my side. This was a small video about what I think beauty is. Please let me know what is beauty according to you in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Unwind and Connect for more content and videos. And I will see you in the next episode. Till then, please take care of yourself and keep smiling. Be kind to the people around you. I will see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.